First we will start with installation of Homebrew package manager. Open homebrew.sh on your browser and you will find a command for installing Homebrew. We have to run this command from Mac OS terminal. So let's open our terminal and paste this command as it is and click enter. Now enter your password and you will see all information of directories which will be created with this installation. So just press enter, that is return button on your Mac, and that's it. The installation of Homebrew is completed. We can verify with the simple Homebrew command brew list, and if there is no error, it means our installation is successful. We use a brew search command for searching Chrome driver on brew package manager. We find a cask here, so we just use brew install and with the Chrome driver cask. Now let's ensure that Chrome driver is in our path. For that we have a simple export command. This command is available in description. We will create a new project in IntelliJ IDEA. Just name your project. I will name it Hi Selenium. It's a Maven project, and in advanced setting you can write some details like group ID or artifact ID. So after creating this project, you will see that the structure is loaded. We have a POM file as it's a Maven project. Under main Java we have nothing, but POM file is created with some properties like Java version, compilers like Java 17, etc. Now we have to add dependency, the Selenium dependency. So I just copied it from MVN repo. You can just Google this Selenium dependency. You will find that on MVN repo. Paste it and just make sure you reload your Maven project. And in external libraries, we will see that this library is added. Now next we will create a simple program, a simple Java program. Create a new Java class from here and just name your Java class something like Selenium example in this case. So our empty class is created. We will create a main method, and inside main method we will be writing our code. So public static void main. Now we will start writing actual Selenium code, and for that first we will set path of the Chrome driver. So Chrome driver is a standalone server. Just simply think this as a way to access your browser Chrome and various buttons or various web page elements on the Chrome. So we are using path from here. If you remember, we installed from Brew. Windows guys can just use the Chrome driver path where they have stored the downloaded Chrome browser. As I said, that Chrome driver is a server and we need an instance of this server to access the Chrome browser itself. So we create object of Chrome driver and you can see we cannot resolve this symbol web driver. So these classes are not found. This is because we just need to reload our Maven project once again. It seems like all dependencies are not downloaded. So you can see we have one dependency here, but probably we just need to go ahead and reload once again and see if it works. So now we see a lot of stuff are here. Let's just go and see if we can resolve this classes now. Okay, we see import class option, import all the necessities. Now this driver object will help you to do a lot of stuff, like you can go to particular page. In this case I will go to Google's homepage. You can access elements, find buttons, find text box. Those will come in later series of this tutorial. So I'm loading a homepage. Basically I'm navigating to google.com page, and then I will just print title of that page. This is just a simple example to show you how we can exactly interact with Google Chrome from a Selenium code, like a Selenium Java code. So you see that I have just used get title method from the driver. So driver now has www.google.com homepage. From the navigate to Google homepage step, and then I print the title. And we often we have to close the driver. That's a good practice. So we'll just use driver.quit method. After executing this program, you will see that browser is loaded automatically. You can see it's giving a message that it's controlled automatically, and it just printed title of this page. The